Clap. Clapping baby, she's so pretty. Clapping. What happened to your clapping, Kaylin? There it is. You're so smart, girl. You're so smart. Look at you in your winter clothes because it's cold, huh? Cupcake. Kaylin. Where are you going? Okay, you want to go stand up over there? Okay. You better be careful. Don't get too crazy now. Hey. Hi. You're so cool. Uh-oh. You're going to use that to stand? Okay. We got to go.